How to add a trademark symbol logo in Apple's Pages app. So I've just got a page open, A4 with the word trademark, and first of all we need to go to edit, go down to emoji and symbols. It'll grey out the text, and just below the text you'll see this little drop down icon. Click on that downward arrow and it'll pop a dialog box, and in here we need to go to letter like symbols. Now I have the highlighted area where I would like to add the symbol, and then first of all we need to go to this R symbol, double click on that, and once we've got the R symbol there, we highlight it and we need to go into text and style. In this little cog we need to then go to baseline and go to superscript, and that will make it that sort of small size that it needs to be. You can also do this with all sorts of different symbols. Whether you're going to use copyright, you'd just double click on that and it'd add the copyright symbol as well. So that's how to add a trademark symbol or a copyright symbol to your text in Apple's Pages app. If you got something out of this video, consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will look forward to seeing you in another one of my videos which are on screen now. Thanks for watching.